Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my brothers and sisters. It's your brother again, Saint News Author. Wherever you meet my channel, please subscribe and press that notification bell so that whatever I upload, you will receive the information. May God bless you. Our Vice President, Yemi Osinbajo, he said that Nigeria need a leader who will unite the country. What do you mean by that such statement? It doesn't mean that you as a vice president and Buhari are not capable to unite Nigeria. That means that people have seen that Nigeria is bigger for people to unite. But why are people still parading on ourselves as a president and vice president when you cannot do anything to unite the country that people are being the head? People put their trust in you for hand to be their leader. But all we are getting is frustration, humiliation, poverty day by day, killings day by day, sharing blood day by day. Once you people know that you people are not capable of uniting Nigeria in one piece, then you people should step down. Let those who have the motive of uniting Nigeria take off from there and do the right thing. This is a statement. Nigeria need leaders that can unite the country. Vice President Osinbajo. Now what? If you know that people are not capable of uniting Nigeria as one country, then you should step down by saying that Nigeria need a leader that will unite them. Was it that people elected people there to unite Nigeria? May God help us in our country, and God will give us a leader that will unite Nigeria to live in peace and harmony. Wike, Governor of Rivers State, now that he knew that insecurity in Nigeria is getting out of hands, now that he knew that Nigeria lacks security, insecurity in our country is getting out of hands day by day. We put our hope in people's hands to make this right. But people are just scattering everything, making everything to look unbearable for the masses. Rich get richer, poor become poorest. What people are there just to fight for your people's pocket without finding the benefit of the people that they elected you people there to be their leader. May God help us. This is your statement. The Constitution did not say that who is the commander-in-chief you are not the commander-in-chief. We know that you are not the commander-in-chief. Mr. President, you are the commander-in-chief, so they should do the rightful. What rightful? What do you expect him to do? To deploy more soldiers to Eastern region to go and destroy more souls? To kill those who is supposed to protect? Because of what? What? Because of enmity, hatred. Is it the right thing? They are killing people, being government, killing people in Eastern region. Why bandit are killing people in Northern region? Why can't you then make peace and stop all this nonsense that are moving around? May God help us in this our country. Our soldiers, they have done a great job. 5 full loaded trailer. 5 loaded trailer. They caught from Makodi heading to Imo State. The trailer, 73 boys, 73 youth of mountain youth, and 47 motorbike heading to Imo State to do what? What are they going to Imo State to do? What are they going to Imo State to do? Soldiers. You people you guys do the great job. When you people do the right job, we praise you people. But once you people do the bad one, become a problem. May God help us for the great job you people done. have done. And may God give you people more courage, more power, more wisdom to continue to do the right thing, not to cause havoc, killing innocent souls. Those people that deploying to Imo State to go, and Imo State that everyone know that is under fire, then they are deploying you to go and cause more havoc. That is the problem. That's what they are doing to burn everything, government property. Then people say that it's IOPB, IPOB, which is not right. Governor of Imo State, are you aware that those people are deploying such people to your state? State is already on fire. They are deploying to do what? To destroy more things. The people say it's IPOB. Where IPOB is innocent. They are killing innocent people, share innocent blood in eastern side, be in your state, especially in Imo State. What is going on in Imo State? Like killing people who doesn't know anything. Those who are going out and coming back on their daily basis work, but people are calling them IPOB or this or that, killing them. But those are doing that is propaganda from northern side. May God help us. Another threat in Enugu, Eziago community. Handsome men have threatened them to destroy them. Farmers, what they call it, farmers, burn their house, killing our brothers and sisters, raping our guests. So because of those farmers, those handsome men, people can never farm again. They cannot go to work to farm again. Why everyday tension for these families? Why everyday problem for these families? Why government neglect them without finding solution to end this nonsense once and for all? How can families hands-on trade Enugu State Eziago community with the violence? Well, let they go and see why our brother being a Born State governor. Well, what should I say? Last time, was you not aware, or I know you are aware of it, how handsome men butcher your people you are meant to protect. Butcher, not just killing, butcher with cutlass. He did nothing. I haven't heard you speak something concerning what they did. What you are after? What they are after? The promise they made to you that they will give you vice president. Who will give you vice president? Who? You are fighting vice president instead of to fight insecurity in your state. Instead of to fight to save life and property in your state, you are looking for a vice president. Let's see, 2023. What will happen? What will reach your hand? In Ghana, another girl in Ghana. Police don't raise alarm in Ghana. There's some bandit from Burkina Faso. They are planning to invade Ghanaians. They have raised alarm to warn everyone to be at alert, because no one knows when or where the attack will take place. But to be alert, to be vigilant, is very important. It's very important. My brothers and Ghanaians, you people should be extra vigilant. Don't allow the intruder to destroy your country. Don't allow such people that who's supposed to live in bush to come and invade and destroy your country. Security you have to be tight, I'm sure, and make sure that such their evil plan will not take place. May God help you people and always be in guide. This is the statement. The police in Ghana have raised the country security alarm, warned that suspected bandits from Burkina Faso are planning to attack. They will not succeed. All their plan can never manifest. In any day their plan to attack, they all will be caught. All of them will be caught. What is wrong with the African, if I may ask? Bandit, handsome men, here and there, causing havoc in every part of the continent. What is wrong with them? Why are they misbehaving? Why are they behaving in such thing? Why are they bringing problems from their flowing Africans? We are Africans, we are supposed to live in peace and harmony, to protect life and property. Why are they bringing such calamities upon themselves, and put threatening upon the life of the Africans, the flowing Africans? May God help us. Oh, now this is no problem. This very nice thing happening in Ozobro in Anambra State. The traditional rulers, they have come up with their own system and technology. When the government have seen that the government cannot protect them, they have brought out a central deity to protect their land. In their central market, the major road to step into Ozobro, that is where they brought their deity. That anybody, be you whosoever, that will step into their community with a bad motive, being a stealing, bandit, pocknose, whosoever that will come to Ozobro to do rubbish, let the deity kill the person. If you're not afraid of your life, don't ever try to step into Ozobro to commit atrocity. Because if you step into Ozobro anywhere to commit atrocity, you will never score free. You will pay with your life. Yes. When the government that we put our trust into do not do anything to protect the masses, then the traditional rulers, they will do things also to protect the masses. I was told in the year back, that's what they used to do. In every community, they will press their central deity in their community. Whosoever that misbehave, the misconduct, their rules, will face their warrant. The ancient practice is now active in Ozobro. So whosoever that will try such nonsense again, then the person will use his head to carry whatever he faces. That will be his priority to carry. May God help us in our country and restore peace into our land. We all need peace. May God bless you all. Wherever you meet my channel, please subscribe and support your brother. Thank you and thank you all. May God bless you.